Welcome everyone. I want to show you how to delete your Google account. Alright, open your Google Chrome browser and come to the right where your account icon is showing and click on it. Now click on Manage your Google account. Now come to the left hand side and click on Data and Privacy. And then begin to scroll down. I will scroll gently. Still scrolling. Then stop at More Options. And we are going to use this option, Delete your Google account. But let me show you something quickly. Scroll to the top and here you can download all your data or just delete only a Google service. Let me open the first one. So here you can select all the services and export them. 63 of 65 selected already. So you can select everything and save them somewhere else. Let me just scroll to the end. Okay. Let me now go to the second option, which is delete a Google service. All right. Let me enter password. And guys, at this point, I want to encourage you guys to subscribe to the channel so that when I drop detailed reviews like these, you will be notified instantly. Thank you. All right. These are the services that I can delete here. So now let me go and delete this Google account. So now I will click on delete your Google account. So this is telling you that everything will be deleted. And once you are sure you want to delete your Google account, just scroll down. Now check these two boxes and click on delete account. Beautiful. Now let's verify the Google account is deleted. And guys, I want to still encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. As you can see, the Google account is gone. So guys, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.